Eighth race Pacers in behind the starting gate. Here they come. They're off. It's Mr. Famous between horses. There comes Doomsday as they race for position. Mr. Famous now powers on by. On the inside, it's Gazoo Bluegrass, but here comes Doomsday. Now third up on the outside, followed in that turn by Noble Hero in fourth. Dynamic Trip, Impressive Bird, 46 Cylinders, and Reggae Skipper. But Doomsday has a neck in front as they race by the quarter. Doomsday strides clear a length. 28 and 4 the quarter, and Doomsday has a 2-length lead. Mr. Famous is second, 2 lengths Gazoo Bluegrass. In third length, Noble Hero. Here comes Impressive Bird, and here comes 46 Cylinders moving right with him. It's Dynamic Trip, and treading the field, that's Reggae Skipper. They're heading for the half-mile marker. It's Dale Heitman and Doomsday with the lead, 2 lengths, and they're halfway home. 58 and 2 into the clubhouse turn, and Doomsday shows the way. Mr. Famous is right there in second, 2 lengths. Gazoo Bluegrass is saving ground third. Impressive Bird is first over. Noble Hero looks for racing room. It's 46 Cylinders, followed by Dynamic Trip and Reggae Skipper. Now they curving in the black stretch, and Doomsday maintains a lead, but Mr. Famous follows his every move. They're driving by the 3/4 mile mark. 3/4, 129 and 1, and Doomsday leads the way. Reggae Skipper with a bullet move on the outside was fifth, now moving to second. Between horses, Impressive Bird. Mr. Famous, his only shot is the open stretch, and down the stretch they come. It's Doomsday with the lead. Reggae Skipper, here comes Impressive Bird with a rush. Impressive Bird between horses, Mr. Famous. Impressive Bird, Mr. Famous at the wire. Moving to the winner's circle, the 8th race winner, number 6, Impressive Bird. Impressive Bird is owned by Dave Williams and Al Goldswig of Illinois, trained by Carl Williams and driven to victory by Joe Marsh Jr. The 7-6 late daily double, $52.80. The post for Maywood's 9th in 17 minutes. Now the action will continue.